Election process for filling one Rajya Sabha seat from Manipur commenced with issuance of an official notification by returning officer Rohit Sapam on Monday. The vacancy has arisen following retirement of a sitting member of the Council of States on June 21, 2026. According to the notification, nomination papers may be submitted by candidates or their proposers at Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. on working days up to June 8. Scrutiny of nomination papers will be held on June 9 at 11 a.m., while last date for withdrawal of candidature is June 11 before 3 p.m. In the event of a contest, polling will be conducted on June 18 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Election Commission of India has approved the banquet hall of Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat Chingmerong as polling venue for the election. Election will be conducted by elected members of Manipur Legislative Assembly to fill the lone Rajya Sabha seat.